Okay, in this vector calculus, we are frequently come across the gradient of a vector. Suppose we are having a vector. Okay, see the gradient is represented by this inverted triangle symbol. Let us say, suppose we are having a scalar f. The gradient of a scalar is a vector. Okay, the gradient is represented by this. Suppose in a Cartesian coordinate system, here the gradient is equal to this I, J, K are they are the unit vectors in x direction, y direction, and z direction. Okay, suppose here the scalar f is a some scalar function. The gradient of f is nothing but, okay, we will differentiate this f with respect to f, with respect to y, and with respect to z. Okay, you have to remember that the gradient of any scalar, is a vector. Okay, this is the gradient. Okay, we'll take some simple problems and you have to try to solve this problem. Okay, can anybody solve this problem for any scalar? Let us say for a scalar function, f of x, y, z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Find its gradient of f. Okay, please note down this problem and solve this problem and let me know what is the answer for this. Okay, see. Okay, how to calculate the gradient of a scalar? Here f of x, y, z is x square plus y square plus z square. This is a scalar function. Okay, what is a scalar and what is a vector? Scalar has a magnitude, vector has both magnitude and direction also. Okay, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then solve this and tell me.
2x
Here,
plus y
2x.
plus 2z.
okay, it's very simple, right? F of x, this is the function f. With respect to if you differentiate this function with respect to x, okay, these two are 0, we'll get only 2x plus j times of 2f by dy with respect to y, 2y. Similarly, 2z, right? Okay,
2z.
2z. Therefore, the gradient of any scalar, okay, here actually this is a scalar function. The first principle is the gradient of any scalar is a vector. You have to remember this. Okay, similarly, if you take the divergence of any vector, here we'll consider it as a vector. Okay, the divergence of a vector is a scalar quantity. How to calculate this divergence? This is denoted by del dot f. Okay, del dot f. Okay, see here del is the gradient vector. Okay, I d by dx, j dy plus k dy by dz. Let us assume we are having a vector. F is a vector. Okay, it has a direction. Okay, unit vector in. Okay. Okay, here f is another vector. Now you have to find out the divergence of this vector f. Divergence of this vector f is equal to, see, the divergence of this is equal to the dot product, right? Okay, you'll get dot product means you'll get only I term and j term and k term. Okay, here you can write this as d by dx of f of x plus d by dy of f of y plus d by dz of f of z. Okay, this is the equation for divergence. Okay, divergence of a vector. You have to prove that. Here you can see that the divergence of any vector is a scalar quantity. Okay, see, now find out. Take this problem. Note down this problem also. for a vector f is equal to, for a vector f is equal to okay, for a vector f is equal to xy I cap, it's a unit vector in x direction, yz into j cap is unit vector in y direction, and this is unit vector in z direction, zx into k cap. K cap is the unit vector. Find its divergence. Can anybody tell me what is the divergence of this function f?
X plus y
Y
plus z.
plus Z.
X entama?
X plus Y plus Z, sir.
Z into Y.
Yeah, here fx is the xy, fy is the yz, and fz is the xz. Just simply replace f of x with xy, and yz d by dy of y, sorry, fy is the yz. Similarly, fz is the x, zx. Okay, you will get, okay, you are getting a vector or scalar. The divergence of vector is, you know, the divergence of vector is scalar function or a vector function.
Scalar.
It is a scalar function. Okay, that is very important thing you have to understand that. Okay, see here, the divergence of a function f is equal to d by dx of fx plus d by dy of fy plus d by dz of fz. Okay, here d by dx of fx వచ్చి just simply substitute fx value. Here fx is xy, yz, fy is yz, and fz is zx. Okay, just simply substitute here. Now d by dx of xy. Okay, here y is a constant, right? You can bring it out. D by dx of x is 1. Therefore, y plus d by dy of yz. With respect to y, you have to differentiate. Therefore, it is z. Similarly, zx. With respect to z, okay. Therefore, d by dz of z is 1. Therefore, x. Therefore, yx plus y plus z is the divergence. Here, what you have to remember is the divergence of a vector. The divergence of a vector is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Okay, the another term is the curl function. Okay, the curl function gives the um, rotation of these fields. You can, by using this curl function, you can able to find out the rotation of this electric field and magnetic field. Divergence means, okay, the way these electromagnetic fields, okay, they are divergence. Okay, you want to measure at any point this electric field or magnetic field, we use the divergence function. Okay, okay, we'll discuss later the thing. Okay, here the curl of any vector, the curl of a vector, the curl of a vector is also is a, again a vector quantity. It is denoted by the curl of f is equal to the gradient of sorry, this is what is this determinant of uh, this matrix. We can say that here these are the unit vectors. This is the derivative part dy dx, d by dy dz, and these are the fx, fy, and fz components of the vector f. Okay, if you expand this determinant of this matrix, okay, you will get I times of d by dy of fz minus d by dz of fy, and minus of j into d by dx of fz minus d by dz of fx plus k times of, okay, this is simply finding the determinant of this matrix, right? K times of d by dx of fy minus d by dy of fx. Okay, this, if you solve this equation, okay, you will get another vector. Okay, the curl of any vector is another vector. Okay, now we'll take one simple problem and try to solve this problem. Okay, for a vector, let us assume we are having a vector f. it is xy I cap plus yz j cap plus zx k cap. Find its curl. Find its curl means del cross f. Now please, can anybody solve this problem? Hello? Solve చేస్తున్నారా? Okay. What is the answer here? Now tell me, what is the answer?
Minus xi, sir.
Minus x
Plus y. I.
I. Okay, here I cap,
Plus
right?
yj.
One second. Minus xi ఏమో అది.
Yes, sir.
Minus xi plus
Plus yj.
plus
Yj.
yj
Minus zk.
yj cap plus z
Minus z.
minus z కేనా?
Minus z.
Minus z everybody got the same answer or everybody got the same answer?
Sir, plus zk వచ్చింది.
Plus zk. What is the answer? Plus zk or minus zk? Yes, you have
Plus
to.
zk నే sir.
Plus zk na minus zk kada? Can I change here? This is plus zk. Okay, right? Any objections? Hello? Okay, in our next class, I will check your answers. Okay, try to prove that LHS equal to
సార్
RHS.
ఇందాక ఆన్సర్ కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ గా వచ్చింది సార్.
Okay, what is the difference? Okay, we will meet in our next class. Okay, until you have to solve this problem. Okay, we will meet in our next class. Thank you.